Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Ethereum price action, where we have been seeing a very significant breakout of this falling wedge here. As well, we will be discussing the Ethereum 1 hourly candles, where we have been of course seeing a very significant increasement in valuation in the past hours, and where we are right now as well are going a little bit overextended. As well, we will be going into the daily candles and of course this important level of the $1,724 US, and of course the next level of major resistance ahead of us. And as last, we will be as well talking about the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation really bouncing back a little bit higher. And we will be talking about the total value getting staked here in Ethereum 2.0 here. So if this sounds interesting, guys, make sure to right away smash up these likes, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, since we're only a few subscribers away before reaching the 51.6k here. So it will be absolutely amazing if you can right now smash up this subscriber count here. And as well, guys, let's go for the 300 likes on this video. So make sure to right away go below the video and smash up the like button. So yeah, with this having said, guys, you can see, let's go in CoinMarketCap. You can see over here, Bitcoin has been increasing 5.2%, and it is Ethereum that took out 11% here. Of course, looking at an extra 6% compared to Bitcoin, really bouncing back very significantly. So that's of course already a very beautiful sign here, because I like to see my Ethereum increasing, because I'm a huge bull on Ethereum. So we have been already discussing several days here, guys. Several days we have been discussing this this falling wedge for the price action of Ethereum, and I've been warning everyone here on the channel that Ethereum, I mean the falling wedges, are always very bullish bias patterns, and always once we're seeing a falling wedge breaking out here, you definitely want to be participating in it, because it can be signifying of course very huge gains to be made here. So yeah, for the breakout, it's an approximately 44% breakout trade, what is of course a massive trade here, what can be bringing massive opportunities. You can see over here, it's already 13.4% here, to the upside, since of course seeing a breakout. I accumulated my trade over here on the $1,720 US, based off, of course, the very perfect retest of the $1,724 US from the, of course, Fibonacci retracement. But yeah, you can see clearly, since here on, I'm already 21% up here. So this is a beautiful trade that I took, and I will be definitely riding this one to higher levels as well, and to potentially new all-time highs as well here. So yeah, looking forward towards this one, and yeah, can't wait to see how this will be ending. But for sure, if we're as well going to enable some indicators, you can see over here the EMA ribbon, guys. We're once again, as you can see here in the past, we have been pushing lower and lower, always once we're trading below the EMA. And right now, finally, since creating this falling wedge here, we have been getting resistance every single time here, and since breaking above it, you can clearly see we have been breaking above it. And right now, if we're going to go for a retest, this can be of course a potential very bullish bias retest. And for all the people that are wondering here, should I be opening a trade right now here? I mean, I do want to be saying, yesterday I made a video on the channel over here as well, that you can be accumulating your position. On these levels, it's a good time to accumulate your position. On these levels, it's a very good time to accumulate your positions. But on maybe a retest of the EMA, I should definitely not do it, because it's too high of a risk in my opinion. And for all the people that are wondering as well here, you can as well get right now a $2,610 US deposit bonus on Bybit if you're going to sign up with the link in the description from Bybit. So that will be of course absolutely amazing if you're going to do so. But yeah, trading above the EMA ribbon, seeing a breakout of the falling wedge here. If we're enabling the MACD, you can see clearly we have been, of course, setting a higher high on the MACD. We're together, coming together with a higher high in the price chart, looking extremely healthy. Here you could have seen lower low getting created on the price chart, higher low getting created here on the MACD, signifying as well that, of course, the sellers are running out of the market, but still prices are dropping lower. So it is giving you an extreme good opportunity. That were one of the many reasons why I accumulated my position over there. But for sure, it was a very beautiful place to do so. And I can't wait to see what we're going to see next there. But yeah, the 4 hourly is looking still pretty healthy. We are recovering from this bullish crossover here as well on the MACD. So yeah, it's looking pretty strong here. And we are rising very significantly on the 4 hourly candles. And we're only seeing higher prices getting reached here. So yeah, for now on, it's still looking good here. But of course, if I'm going to go into a little bit of the lower time frame, I am seeing some minor reversal signals. And I do want to be raising the awareness that we can be potentially, of course, seeing maybe the coming 2 to 4 hours, maybe go a little bit lower here, because you can first of all see RSI being pretty overextended. RSI is very overextended, and usually once the RSI is overextended slash overbought here, you tend to see these corrections for the market, and it's also a very healthy thing to see here, since we were seeing, of course, this approximately 11% surge here in such a rapid pace here. So yeah, you do want to be raising. I do want to be raising the awareness that you don't want to be opening your long on these levels, because yeah, first of all, you're opening your position on overextended territorium, and it's not a smart thing to do so. And for all the people that are as well join me with the trade, I already took literally a few minutes ago some profit on my trade here. And since doing so, I want to be just locking in my profits, because yeah, if we're going to go towards lower targets, I always will be locking in these profits. So what are we seeing right now here on the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart? So yeah, first of all, we have been forming a very beautiful upward sloping support line. You can see over here, upward sloping support line, downward sloping resistance line getting created, as well with another touch point over here recently, before seeing, of course, a significant move towards the upside getting created here. You can see we got rejected. We already got 4 touch points approximately on this pattern. So yeah, on the lower side as well. So it looks pretty interesting, and it looks to be showing us a lot of significance. It's not the most beautiful symmetrical triangle. I have to admit that one, but I mean, you can see over here, price target as well for this symmetrical triangle sitting around the $2,250 US. I mean, we can be, before reaching this price target, we can be maybe even go for a potential retest. So yeah, I mean, I should definitely not hurry to opening your long position. I'm currently already in one, so I will be for sure not hesitating to do so. But of course, around the $1,970 US, you can be for sure looking for maybe a potential open of your long entry, because yeah, that's definitely a very good position to do so, because yeah, once getting a retest from this level, I mean, once retesting previous resistance, it's just very likely to find very good support on it. So yeah, if we're going to see an approximately, let me see, 4% decrease from here on, it will be still very healthy, but it will be as well once again providing us insane good opportunities. So as well, what we're seeing right now on the MACD here, the MACD is a little bit more bearish than it is right now on the 4 hourly candles. Of course, the 1 hourly candles are currently forming a lower low here with a higher high in the price chart, as well giving us a bearish divergence, signifying that the market can be potentially moving a little bit lower as well. If you're looking through this trend, basically, lower high getting created here. So yeah, the buying strength is really cooling off a little bit here for Ethereum, but we all know if Bitcoin is going to do something very interesting, if Bitcoin is going to pump towards 38k, it's going to be for sure that Ethereum is going to follow. But we are already pretty overextended, so yeah, I just want to be raising the awareness that you don't only want to be thinking the only way is up, because for sure we can be seeing some pullbacks coming in here before really moving up higher, like you could have seen over here as well here. So please don't expect that we're going to increase very quickly in valuation, even though of course on the 4 hourly candles I'm extremely bullish since seeing this 4 hourly falling wedge breakout. So yeah, for sure I do think this price target around the $2,600 US will be getting reached here, but of course it's going to go in waves towards the upside, not just in one clear move towards higher levels. So yeah, I do anticipate that we're going to see this price target getting reached here in the coming 2 weeks or so, and it will be definitely very beneficial to see Ethereum trading on these higher levels once again here. So looking forward towards that one already. So yeah, as well, thing I want to be saying here, guys, make sure to as well follow me here on Twitter at RoverCRC here. If you're going to follow me on Twitter, you are as well going to stay up to date about these potential trade setups that I'm giving here. I'm not really giving all these trade setups every single day, but once I'm giving them, of course, they're only very realistic ones, and of course very probably as well on the very high time frame. So this one as well was based on the daily daily candles, and since of course opening my trade here on this perfect retest, we absolutely crushed the market. But right now 165%, but I mean on time of recording it's even higher. So it's pretty nice what we are seeing over here, and of course I'm loving the gains here, and you can see once again over here on this chart, very perfect retest since then increased very quickly in valuation. And you can even, if you're approaching it like this, see it differently, and you can see, of course, okay, we are right now seeing potentially as well double bottom getting created. So yeah, several indicators giving me bullish signals right here. So that's looking particularly strong here. So as well, a thing that I want to be discussing here is the Ethereum total valuation getting staked here. This is quite exciting, because these are also one of these reasons why Ethereum is right now once again increasing in valuation. what you can see over here basically is that sometimes we are getting these spikes of a huge amount of new value getting staked here, and currently we are having a very big stake amount coming in here from approximately 268 million US dollars by the 23rd of June here. So yeah, big amount of Ethereum getting staked here. More and more Ethereum is getting staked along the way here. You can see it clearly, and I definitely want to be feeling extremely excited about this one. And I definitely as well can't wait to see where Ethereum 2.0 is heading towards. They as well are launching their testnet for the London upgrade. So yeah, Ethereum really working on the improvement as well here. Make me feel very exciting. And as well, we can just see and we can just smell the institutional interest for Ethereum. What is once again also one of my many reasons why I do feel excited about Ethereum. So yeah, let's talk as well a little bit about the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, because man, oh man, I don't want to be saying that we have been calling everything, but we have been calling this supportive line over here as well, guys, because you can see over here, first of all, if we are looking to the weekly candles, you can see clear resist line on tops are getting created. Since breaking through, we of course increase very quickly and significantly towards the upside. But if we're approaching this chart on the daily candles with this resist line over here, and the supportive touch over here, we drew this this chart over here. We extended the lines, and we were talking about this very important supportive target over here. What you do want to be embracing is a very important level of support as well. If in terms of the wicks, this 0.05500 level is also a major level of support, what we have been embracing as well, and what we have been discussing several times here. So yeah, on the wicks you could have accumulated over there as well, but since of course if you're not even looking at the wicks, you could have seen already a 5% increasement compared to Bitcoin. But it looks to be of course clear lower highs getting created for now on, still lower lows getting created if we're not counting the wicks, of course. So yeah, would like to see some higher lows getting created, and of course maybe some more development in this potential symmetrical triangle. So yeah, looking quite good here. We're bouncing from off this level, showing some more strength in Ethereum. Is very lovely to see here. So yeah, let's see how far we can be bouncing back towards higher levels. And yeah, personally I do expect a lot of sideways action here in this chart for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. But of course, if we're going to start this next euphoria run up here, you do definitely want to be holding some Ethereum as well, with Ethereum 2.0 coming towards us. And we just saw it, of course, with the total value getting staked there. You just don't want to be missing out on this one. So yeah, perfect bounce on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, potentially going maybe towards this resistance line on the top side. Looks pretty strong here, and I can't wait to see how this will be developing. If we're not holding on to the supportive line here, for sure, I will be looking at the 0.05500 level. And we're now holding on to the next line here. Yeah, you will be looking at this supportive line over here. So guys, this was already it for the Ethereum update. Quite a long update, approximately 30 minutes this video. So yeah, quite a long Ethereum update. Hopefully you guys love these updates here. Later today, I will be dropping another video out here. I will be not knowing for sure which video I will be dropping here, but for sure, make sure to smash up the likes, and of course, ring the bell notification to not miss out on the next video. Let me know as well in the comment section till where you watched here. Say 1, 2, 3 in the chat if you watched till the end, because then you're a true OG here. Thank you so much for watching, and guys, I will see you guys in the next one.